Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be discussing degree 3rd semester Arabic model paper. This is a common paper for BA, BBA, BSc, BCom, BSW. So this paper is for 3 hours and 80 marks. This question paper has two sections, section A and section B. In section A, you have to do any 4 questions. Each question carries 5 marks, so total marks are 20. Question number 1. Translate the given paragraph with reference to the context. So students यहाँ पर एक sentence है लक़द जाअ अल कुरान अल अज़ीम तोफ़तन अतहफ़ा अल्लाहु बिहा अल बशारियता जमीअन फ़ीही इलाजुन लिजामी अल मुश्किलती अल इंसानिया सवाउन कानत ततअल्लक़ु बिल हयाती अद्दीनिया औ अल हयाती अद्दुनियाविया। सो इस सेंटेंस का जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है लक़द जाअ अल कुरान, उससे हमें पता चलता है कि ये अल कुरान अल करीम लेसन से लिया गया है। सो ओवर हियर दीज वर्सेस मीन दैट द होली कुरान हैज कम एज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम अल्लाह टू ह्यूमैनिटी. It has the solutions for all human problems that are related to religious life or practical life. So just the translation you need to write, students, and then you can write the reference. In reference, what will you write? Al-Jawab هذه العبارة أهدت من الدرس القرآن الكريم. So you're telling that this sentence is taken from Al-Quran Al-Kareem lesson. So in this way you need to write in the exam. Now moving on to question number 2. Answer the following questions. In this bit question answers will be asked from the lessons. See here there's one question given. मा इनकरू अल हदीस अल शरीफ. इसका मतलब है कि क्या होता है जब आप इनकार करते हो हदीस अल शरीफ का. सो द आंसर वुड बी इनकार अल हदीस अल शरीफ इनकार अल कुरान अल करीम. यानी कि हदीस को मना करने का मतलब है कि आप कुरान को मना कर रहे हो. Now let us see question number 3. Write 5 examples by using the following words. तो यहाँ पर कुछ words है students like का, लन, इज़न, लमा, लम. So ka over here means so that, lan means will not, izan means then, lama means not yet, lam means did not. So for all these 5 words, one sentence you need to write, students. So this word has to be there in the sentence. And this is the most repeated question, students, like mandatory it is. Every year it is asked. The same words make sentences. Now coming to bit number 4, write any 5 meanings from the following words. This is a scoring bit, students, because you can easily write the meaning in English. So here some words are given like arsala, asas, taqdeer, takaffala, tanawala, rasul, malak, masdar. So the meanings are very easy, students. For example, rasul means prophet, malak means angel, Tattanavalu means dealing with. Students, I'll be uploading most important meanings. Now question number 5. Convert any 5 of the following singular into plural. So again here some words are given like kitab, nabi, lisan, qal, fil, tahiyya, taqreer. So how to change this into plural? Will change to ummahat, kitab will change to kutub, nabi, anbiya, lisan, alsina, qal, aqwal, fil, afal, tahiyya, tahiyat, taqreer, taqarir. So students, you need to write this in Arabic. Let me share with you an easy tip. If a word ends with ta maftuha, that is alif and ta, then it will change to ta marbuta, that is round ta. Now for male names, to convert it into male name, we need to add waw noon or ye noon, while there are some others that we need to memorize. Question number 6. What do you know about the poet Akhtal? Write about his life. So Akhtal was a poet during the Umayyad period. In the long summary answer I have given about him. So if you learn that answer, you can answer this 5 marks question also. Students, if you need the PDF, then contact me on my Telegram ID. I have kept the cost very less for students. It's only 40 to 50 rupees for all summaries. Section B. Section B, each question carries 20 marks. We have to write 3 questions, so total 60 marks. Question number 7. Write in detail about the lesson Al-Quran Al-Kareem. So you have to write the summary of Al-Quran Al-Kareem. Or you have a choice. Describe the summary of the lesson Al-Hadith Al-Nabawi Al-Sharif. So any one you need to do for 20 marks. Question number 8. Define with examples Al-Filu Al-Mudari Al-Majzum. This means the imperfect subjunctive. This is a grammar topic. You need to write the summary of this. Or you can write, explain in detail about Al-Filu Al-Mudari Al-Mansub Bilamtiha. It means imperfect jussive. You need to write with examples. Bilamtiha means examples. So students, you have a choice between both the grammar topics. For 20 marks, any one you can write. Students, if you don't know what to write in this grammar topics, then you can take the PDFs from me. Then question number 9. Write about the Arabic literature during Umayyad period or write about prominent poets of Umayyad period. Any one. So students, in bit number 7, 8 and 9, you need to do 20 mark summaries. So total 60 marks in section B. Students, if you understood the paper pattern, then hype my video to support my channel, and in my next video I'll be uploading summaries, most important meanings, singular, plural, etc. So if you hit the bell icon, then you'll get instant notifications.